So what's up? What's going on, YouTube? This your boy back at it again. Just Breathe 415 back with another video. Today we're gonna start tearing down the ATV. As you see, it's right here, right there. So yeah, when I bought it for a little bit of nothing. So basically like a project ATV. Just the wiring and all that. I mean, it starts and it runs and everything like that, but the person that had it before me, as I'll show y'all, did all kind of wiring to whatever, you know, so I'd rather have it brand new wiring and stuff like that. But we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna tear the fairings off, everything, try to get that done in one video, and I'm gonna show y'all the wiring and how it's set up. I had to do a whole nother custom exhaust, everything else like that, because it was just crazy. But we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Let's go. Okay, so check it out. This is what all I've done to it. I had to go get an exhaust custom made. The header was already on there, right? But they had, hold on, let me show you what they had. They had this right here, this exhaust, which I think this is the original or whatever, right? I don't know what happened to the other piece I had. Here it goes. So they had this piece right here, right there, which goes from that to that. They had this stuffed in this. As you see, not even the same size. So they had this stuffed all the way in here as far as it can go, and then ran the exhaust. So this is out of here. So this is what I did now. This is the original header from the ATV. I went and got another. This is 1 inch, I think. This is like a inch and a half or something like that, they told me. So I had them weld this little piece on here to extend back. Then I went online and I bought a canister. So then I had to get this welded, the cap flipped around, had them weld this piece so it can shove in. So, because there's a gap in here, but they welded the piece in, so it should be straight. But yeah, and I'm gonna hook this up. I'm gonna hook it up to this right here because it wouldn't fit, you know, right here. So it's gonna go in that hole right here. But that's later on after I take the fairings out. But as I'm back here, give y'all a little taste of the wiring. Like, look at all that. Like, it's a mess. I mean, like I said, the bike runs and all, but I mean, come on now. The battery harness is, you know, that's, nah. So we're gonna do a little bit of something on this to see if we can shake it back the way it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, I have to find a brake caliper. No brake caliper. So that's the real reason why I'm not riding it right now. I don't know what the problem is. He said he couldn't bleed the brakes, but I mean, they got shit hanging right here. This is the reservoir. You got the brake assembly right there. So I mean, I'm just gonna go and just get everything. I mean, you got shit running all back there, everything down there. Like, he has the kill switch. Like, I have to reset it right here. But the starter, I don't know if I'm gonna get that. His starter is right here. See, right there, no key. Basically, look at this. This is not the original hood for it, of course, but he made something for the trunk, but all kind of wiring and shit in there. So yeah, but everything else looks pretty good. The tires are good. He made I guess a custom seat out of a thing. They sent him the wrong seat, he said, so he just made a seat off of that. So yeah, so but yeah, we're gonna see what's up with this. I'm gonna order the wiring harness. I'm gonna order, I guess the front brake, which is weird because let me show y'all that too. Now, no front brake, right? Whatever. But here is, now I'm not familiar with the Chinese brands, but here goes the brake. You got one coming from that one to this side. That one's going to that wheel. Then you have this one coming all the way to the back, which leads to the rear. So am I missing something? Where would the front one go? Like, I don't see a front. I don't know, but anyway, like I said, it's a work in progress. I'm gonna tear this stuff down, and we're gonna get to it and see. I'm gonna order the parts from what I can order, what I can find, and we'll go from there. Okay, people, so I'm back. So I'm tearing down the bike, right? And I mean, like I said, you get what you pay for or whatever, but this right here is just janky as you want to be. Look, so I'm taking the fairings off, right? Just look at, like, there's a million zip ties in this thing. The fairings were zip tied. You got wires running from everywhere, right? But look at the gas tank, how it's set up. I don't know what this is. Some hard plastic or something cushion holding up the gas tank. Like, I was like, what? So yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna have to order a new gas tank, which I am gonna order a new gas tank. But I mean, look at all this. Like, I don't even know what this is. This goes, I can't even tell you what it goes to. It's just wrapped up. It's just, like, no words. Like, I haven't even took this side off yet, because I'm like, damn, still got gas in it, so I'm kind of don't want it to fall over. But that's just crazy. But we gonna get to it. Oh, here goes a good look at all the wiring. It don't supposed to be that much wire coming out of the stuff. Like, got shit hanging. I think that's a solenoid hanging. Shit hanging from here. Yeah. New wiring coming soon. Air filter. Change that air filter. I don't know. Might do the carb. I don't know. But yeah. That's just crazy. Be right back. I don't know what. I'm gonna have to. Like, I'm guessing it goes there. I don't know, folks. I really don't know. I don't know.